Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be taking you through how to make these Ghana patty donuts. I call them cake donuts because it's so delicious and taste like cake. Let's get started. This recipe I'll be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to combine this very well and set it aside. In another bowl, I'll be adding 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of margarine, and I'm going to mix this together. Ensure you whisk this very well until you get a very smooth consistency, or until the margarine and sugar are properly combined. Then I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of pineapple extract. You can also use lemon zest if you have it. So I mix this very nicely, and you can see the consistency I have here. Then now we're going to be adding our flour and our evaporated milk. You're going to be doing this in bits. You'll be adding a bit of the evaporated milk and a bit of the flour, and you whisk. You do this continuously till you exhaust all the flour and the milk used. I use a cup of evaporated milk and 1/2 cup of water. So you can as well use 1.5 cup of evaporated milk. The richer, the better. So you do what works best for you. So you're going to be mixing till you make sure that you have mixed up all the flour and you have a very good consistency. You don't want this to be so runny, and you do not want it to be extremely thick. So you see the consistency I have here. That's what we're looking forward for. So at this point, it's now time to fry. For easy scooping, I applied some oil on my hands before I started scooping the dough into the oil. You can use an ice cream scoop if you have that. At this point, we need to be playing with the level of the fire because we do not want to have this on very low heat, so our donuts do not suck up the oil. So what you need to do is to play with it. Make sure it's on medium heat and just keep playing with it, because we do not want it to burn whilst the inside is not well cooked, and we do not want it to suck up the oil. Please take note, and also ensure you keep turning the donuts so they do not get burnt. If you have watched to this stage and you haven't yet subscribed, please do also hit the subscribe button, like, share, and leave me some comments. Let me know where you're watching me from. And guys, this came out extremely delicious, and oh, this is my favorite part, the crunch. Extremely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching, and catch you in my next one. Until then, stay safe, and I love you all. Bye for now.